All right, let's get some work done in the shop today. I gotta make a cart for this stuff. All right, so I've got the old Dust Deputy and Ridgid shop vac set up, and it works amazing. The only thing is, it takes up a lot of space if you don't have it all organized. So what we're going to do today is build a cart for this. Pretty simple. They're all over the internet. You can find them on YouTube, but I thought I'm going to make my own. I'll make a video. Hope you like it. It's gonna suck. Haha. Okay. Why does this always happen? Okay, so what is happening down there? Okay, so 36 inches, 3 feet. I like it. Pa. So, on older Ridgid vacuums, you could just fit some PVC onto this, but they changed it up. Doesn't quite fit anymore. So what I did, you can get couplers and heat them up with like a heat gun and just kind of form it over this to make it fit. I 3D printed these things, but you don't have to have a 3D printer. Like I said, you can just heat up some couplers that will then stretch and go over this, and you can put your PVC in. This is 1.5 inch. You could use different sizes, but yeah, so I'm gonna get these put on and then we'll go from there. Now, I don't know. Okay, so this is in the way, and these are taller. So I have to figure out how to do that. Can do this first. It's interesting. Okay. I don't know if you can see, got the lines. And I don't have a marker. What the heck? So something's off here. This is not a good idea. Awesome. Don't fall, don't fall. All right. So these are just caps for the 1.5 inch. Uh-oh. This might not have been the best way to do it. All right, so got these caps here's what we're going to try. We're going to do this probably the most complicated way ever. But just to show you, drilled that hole. Got a carriage bolt, this nut, or washer. Put that on. And then, no way with these 13s. I'll be danged. Just happen to have my impact. This is overkill. There you go. I'm going to do the other 4 and they'll all line up. Hopefully. Kind of get... So I'm putting actually 2 buckets. Hello. Putting 2 buckets because this one has cracks in it because it was on the Dust Deputy and it imploded because I got a clog and it just like crushed it. So adding this, I'm hoping it won't crush a second bucket if that ever happens again. But like, whoop, there we go. Okay, so got this. Need to add one down there. Get that on there. Take this dude or dudette. Oop. Alright, so did the same thing up here. So that's a 2.5 to 2 inch. This comes up 2 inch to 1.5. Then it goes here, and let's see if it works. That works. Okay. Boom. They're about here. Now, I 3D printed these as well, but you know, you could just make them out of scrap wood. Be pretty easy. So let's see how it works. Maybe if I took the drills off of the cord. Beautiful. Pretty sweet. Okay. And the microphone on my camera just died. So I'm doing a lot of talking here about the footprint being 2 foot by 2 foot and how it takes up way less space on the ground and how great everything is with the power cord on the side and the accessories on the back and how it you know, just kind of looks cool. I don't know. I can't remember what I was saying. It was perfectly scripted. But now, it's just in the ether.
No one will ever know. But it's pretty sweet. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll make some more stuff coming up, and I don't know. Yeah, there we go. Leave some comments. All right, see you later. Bye.